Hey, good morning and welcome to OnePunch Algo. Once again, for those who don't know about OnePunch Algo channel, we keep live streaming sessions Monday to Friday from 7:45 a.m. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. In the pre-market sessions, we check for pre-market scanners to find early morning top gapping stocks that are less than $20. Then we look into the reasons they are moving, and based on the positive and negative results, we filter 3 to 4 results from this stock. After that, we check for the outstanding share volume, share float, and then we mark resistance and support levels. Finally, we use OnePunch Algo 50-minute and 30-minute charts to find the trend reversal together with the support and resistance levels to make intraday trading for the maximum profit. Alright, so today I did add some one change for the stocks. I added an option to see how many outstanding shares a company release over the period. So that's actually very important. Alright, so today the highest moving stock is SNOA Pharmaceutical, SNOA. So if we check third-minute candlestick chart, yesterday post-market it went up. What is the news they have? Okay. So they did had news about the disinfectants and the stock went up, and this is the first sell indicator from the OnePunch Algo around 5 o'clock, and then today when the stock went up around 6:30, 7 o'clock the OnePunch Algo gave a sell indicator. So far they have 1.9 million outstanding shares and the share float is 1.93 million, and the pre-market volume is already 1 million, so that's actually a lot. So this stock could, hey, good morning Qureshi, good morning. Right, so let's mark the support and resistance levels for this stock. Let's see, year to date highest was around 1965. Okay, let me mark the highest with orange. Well, now actually it looks like a resistance because in 2018 they had a couple of times touching the same one. So I would take only until 2018, and let's see anything in between 11 and 12. 12.22. This one 11.38. And 15.82. So yesterday I actually was able to make a lot of money from the Kodk. So I am full for the week. I passed my weekly goal, but still I'm gonna do this support and resistance level checking for all the stocks every day. So it will be a habit for all of us, a good habit. $764. Okay, 8. Now let's check resistance levels. So the stock only have 1.9 million outstanding shares. If this keep on going up, they could release more shares just to make more money from the stock market for the company. But for day trading, that's not a problem. You just need to get in and get out as fast as you can. All right. Let me mark the resistance with the yesterday's flow, so I can see something here at 10.17. And the highest for the today 14.67. Let's mark it as well. Okay. Let me share the support and resistance with you guys. Okay, so the next stock gonna be Kodk. So yesterday it went up a lot. Hey, good morning, Alex. So this stock went up more than 200%, 280%, and in the after hours it actually stay above the 20-day moving average. As soon as it touched the 20-day moving average, bounce back again. So after hours, around 5 o'clock, it went back to its highest form, which is around 1340. So it did touch those highest mark a couple of times. So today it's trying to break out as well. So the stock is really doing well. I was able to make a lot in this area, and then here, and then here to here. Yeah, so one thing that I did, which is different for our previous sessions, I added the amount of outstanding shares that the stock has over the timeline. So in 2016 they had 42 million, now they have 43 million. So compared to a lot of other stocks, this kind of stock doesn't actually put a lot of stock into the market with some news or stuff like that. That's why this chart is important. If we check something different, let's see a stock that keep on putting out offerings. Okay, so this one here, in 2019 they had 231, and then all of a sudden within 1 year they have 5 million stocks. So this type of stocks you guys need to be careful, because whatever the news comes in, they keep on sending. That's true. That could be, but historically, even though if it went up, they didn't had any splits or major offerings, right? Yeah, even 2014 it was like 41 million Australian shares, so that's not that bad compared to most of the other stocks. SNOA, I saw a split here, but they haven't done any offerings after that, so that's not bad either. ONDK, let's see. Okay, so they are actually reducing the amount of stocks they have. In 2019 Q2 they had 76 million, now they have only 58 million, so that's not bad. Alright, so that's a added indicator that I'm going to use from now onwards, so we are extra careful about this stock. Let's go ahead and check ONDK to see if they have any news. I can't remember their password again. Oh man, let's see. Actually, copy this. Okay, got it. Alright, so on DK, July 29, 3:32, that means in the morning they had some news. PR News Wire, let's see. Even yesterday, they have a yeah, they have some earnings snapshot for the Q2. So today, so they have the earnings today. Seems like it. Oh, let's see. 80 million in the period. Okay. So with 30-minute chart, I see some resistance forming up, and there's heavy resistance around 130 and 130. Anything else on tech merger investigation? Okay, so this is just a law firm trying to sue those guys. Earnings, if it is already up, then it's gonna go down if there's nothing for future looking or forward looking or something like that. But that's turning down. Let's see the previous earning, what happened. So it went up, and as soon as the market opened, it went down. So previously the highest it went 30%, 32%. Right now it's already more than 64%. Yeah, I think this will come down. 58 million outstanding shares and 52 million share float. Yeah, nothing major about the news. ACHV, I see a hard sell around 630. Since then it's going down. Let's go ahead and check for news. Earning report. Yes, so $37 million outstanding shares. Let's go ahead and see. $29 million on Q1, and then the Q2 they have released 2 million more shares. So a stock that is trading less than $1. Even before coronavirus it was around 59. They keep on releasing more offerings. Yeah, so this is one of the reasons we should actually check for outstanding shares history. Look, in 2019 Q3 they only had 8 million shares, and now they have 31 million. So these kind of stocks actually I would like stay away, because it's not even $1. This could get into OTC, and then if you get a hard sell like this, short it if you can. Yeah, deletion. Not a good company. HTBX 30-minute. I see the hard sell formation. How many outstanding shares? 84 million. Alright, let's just a short candidate, the previous one. ACHV. Mark some resistance. If they touch those, then short. Oh wow, look at this one. Well, at least it's more than $1. Are they having a vaccine, COVID vaccine play? Seems like it. Let's see. Okay, in this case they do have COVID related news. Even though they increase the outstanding shares from 33 million to 77, which is more than 110%, they are playing the COVID ball. So in the previous news it did went to 390, actually 431. So this could be the second touch with the news, but they have news, so we can't even ignore that. Let's see. Guys, please read this one and let me know what you guys think. So yeah, so that's why. So good to know about that. Yeah, let's go ahead and see 30 minutes. Yeah, the 30-minute candlestick chart, I don't like it. This type of even the 15 was confirming two red candles formation, a hard sell. This type of stock with previous news, people who got in trying to like drop them, but the resistance is at 325. Yeah, it's going down. Even with the COVID news, I don't see a value, so never go long with this kind of stuff. Historically, it's actually not good. Like Alex was saying, if they regain compliance couple of days ago, then it's actually bad. Yep, exactly. Look at this. In 2018, they had only 5 million outstanding shares. So most of the pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, they can only survive with the stock offerings, because they keep on investing their money first, and then investors' money, and then the public offerings, and then dilution. And that's the only way they can actually make money to like finalize all these lab tests. Some companies actually successfully finalized it, but bad management could go in the company. Yeah, this one is going down. RGLS, I see a hard sell for the 815 candlestick. Volume is around 2.9 million, so maybe they might have some news, but let's see. Regular equity. Okay, 60 minutes ago. What's going on with my internet today? You know how many megabytes I have of the speed? I purchased 1000 megabyte speed. Still seems to be slow. Actually my computer battery is slow. I got a 32 RAM Mac. I need to set it up with this one so I don't have any disturbance with whatever I'm showing you guys. Oh wow, actually my internet is lower than I was expecting. Sorry guys, I was just checking what's going on with it. Regulars, did I share the link? Okay, more than 200 characters, so let me share the title so you guys can look out. I use Webull. I'm using Webull, but my I'm testing with ThreadStation as well. ThreadStation, they do have the option for me to activate my Algo bot, which actually trades for me on my behalf automatically. So that bot will be available for you guys maybe next year. Right now I'm actually testing with $100 on one bot, and then another $500 the second bot, and $1000 with the third bot. I need at least 1 year worth of data before I go live with that bot. So it's basically trades these signals. What is the brokerage you are using right now? Okay. Yeah, I like Webull, and I do because I'm a fan with the hotkeys. Without hotkeys, it would be hard for those swing trades. Well, actually, to take the maximum profit, it would be hard. If you're using TradingStation, you can connect a trading view with it and do the trades while you're watching the charts with OnePunch Algo. Yes. This weekend I'm gonna do the post market one, and then I will do intraday movers. So that's actually a good one. I think you guys need that one and those two. RGLS going down. SCKT, this was up 2 days ago, right? Yeah, I did trade this. Actually, we did trade this one. Oh, it touched the support level 329. Well, we can say resistance here, and then bouncing down. Yeah, so this is the previous high, and then I see a OnePunch Algo indicator for a simple buy. It was on July 27 at 445. That's a buy. So from there, for the first signal, that's around 52% profit. That's another strategy I will teach you guys with breakout stocks. And once they break out and when they went down, if OnePunch Algo shows a buy indicator and then a 20-day moving average crosses down the 100-day moving average, then that's actually a good buy for a next breakout. Because normally these days, once it moved up or break out one time, then it's try to break out again, not that much, but at least half of it, because people are like those who is held or got stuck while it's going down, then they try to make it move back again. But in this case, maybe they might have news. Scan. Oh, this is that same thing. Okay, I remember this guy. Yeah, need to be careful. Like, always use buy sell signals, or maybe if you are getting in, put a stop loss and take profit. You said your target was like 2,500 to 5,000 a week, right? I'm not investing more than 5,000 per stock for breakouts. Gene, closing of offering. Oh, that was on July 20. Let's see what's going on. Let's get back to Gene again. So they offered how many? $5 million worth of stocks, right? So that means if it is $3, at least 1.5 million outstanding shares. Let's go ahead and check what was the reading. What? Gene? That's not right. 30 million outstanding shares, but why does this show me 677? Yeah, I think I remember because I had it green color. That's the thing, I keep on trading a lot of stocks now. I don't even remember what it was about. This here, I don't think it's active. I think the data is not accurate with the company or something like that. So this is actually wrong. 600 it is not possible. AMD, man, I was thinking of buying options from this the other day. Miss it. No mind. So they beat the ER. Oh, well, not exactly. Maybe the forward looking was good. Alright, we are not day trading blue chips or anything about $20, so I'm not going to check it. Plus they have more than 1 billion outstanding shares. I think with the gene there are some issues, that's why the float is not showing up here. That's why the data is wrong. Yeah, it's going down now. I saw TUP pop up. Again, did we check TUP? No, right? I saw something that is similar to this one, but we didn't. Let's go ahead and check the news. Hey guys, if there is anyone who is watching this, you new to this channel, please let us know. We will let you know what we are doing. What are your thoughts on airline stocks? Airline stocks, I made a ton with SAVE and AAL when it went down on March 13, but now I'm not even bothering to check it because I think I show you guys the amount of debt they have, right? Let's go ahead and check those as well. Well, the volatility is actually not bad with the airline stocks, but still, you know, the strategy I use for the airline stocks, I invested when it dropped on the back in the day, which was around. Let's go and check that one here. Here, right? So the way I check when a market crash happened, the first two green candles, right? Well, with the one day option, right? With market crashes, it will reverse with one day chart. So in here you guys can see a series of white candlesticks, so that's the market crash. And soon as it went down, I was able to get in here at the first green, and then I sold here, and once again I bought here. Well, I bought with only $10,000, but I had a margin account, so I made actually I had 20,000 worth of stocks, so from here to here I made 207%, well, maybe 205. So with the margin account and this amount, I made actually 60,000. Again, I didn't see any options to do the same, so I'm not getting back again, but I do have some alerts set up. If it shows me another list of white candles, then I'm going to get in. Right now I'm actually watching, not even watching, I have alerts. It will let me know when I'm ready. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the debt they have. So the reason it might not go back to the amount it was, if not, I mean, maybe in another 1 or 2 years this will be okay. Because see now, if let's say you invest $10,000, use that margin, which from Webull I think it's 6% a year. Okay, so let's say you were able to get back when it hit around $12. So from here to until the maximum it was before the COVID, it is 282% uptrend, right? So if you had the margin account which is 10,000, I'm just getting numbers here, so you will get 20,000 worth of stocks. From 20,000 to 282 means actually it's 3 times the amount of investment you are making. But that's not true, because you only invested 10,000. The other 10,000 was a loan. Technically you're going to make let's see, 60,000. So technically you are going to make 600,000 profit within 1 year. So you're only paying 6% interest for that $10,000. So that's a good play. That's why I'm going to do it again. This time I would go with a bigger amount, but right now it's not the chance. But one day, yes. Okay, so debt is in down and the amount of stocks offering is in top. Wow, man. Save actually did this. So the debt is went up from 2019 fourth quarter. Right now they have 456 million in debt, but they also have released more than 30% shares to make more money. Well, actually they need more money. So these are the issues that I think it will be hard for it to bounce back. If you check previous crash, uh, 2018 there was a crash on December. Where was it? Yeah, this one, right? Oh wow, Kodk is killing it. Well, not much of a difference. I think that's the death is not actually big here, but let's see the 2007 crash. Well, stock was not even here when it happened, so we don't know about it much. Yeah, maybe BA might show you more information. Sorry, I'm going off the topic, but this is actually not bad. The information is good for you guys to check fundamental information about a stock. This is fundamental analysis. Come on, now it's not coming here. Let me refresh. Let's go with months. We had a crash on 2015. What happened on 2015? Why did this went down a lot? Maybe an airline crash? Do you guys, any of you guys know about it? Let's see. When that happened, they had 72 million outstanding shares The depth is around 324, but later on when the stock keep on going down, they keep on taking back the shares, but the depth kept on going up, but they were able to change the tide again. Because of that, it went up a little bit on 2018. So 2015 to 18, that's actually 3 years. So they kept the amount of stocks down, but now again they moved it up, but the debt keep on piling up for sale. So that's why it's important to check other stocks and compare the debt and the amount of stocks with other stocks that are available for the airlines. So American Airlines, UAL, even BA might be okay because government tend to like save it. Other than that, BA also has a lot of debt. See, from 28 last year quarter, this year quarter they have 37% increase in debt, but the amount of shares dropped, so that's not bad. Outstanding shares, so they're trying to balance it out. Well, hope this makes sense for you guys. LB, what's going on with that? 277, no, 277 million outstanding shares, but the pre-market volume is 200,000 and it's $21 more than what we actually trade. Shop, oh my god, this shop, one time I did actually make calls and was able to make money, but after that I stopped because now it's 1000. When I was doing the trade, it was like 500 to 600. Company is really good. Let's filter it out again. It's already 850, so let's filter the amount of outstanding shares to 100,000 or less, so we don't get those blue chip type of companies. Kodk, okay, so we actually didn't talk about this one. Now the loan, okay, so previously they had 672 million worth of debt, right? So now with the new debt, which is around 765 plus 172, it's gonna be more than 800. As soon as we see this information here, the bot's gonna calculate all this data, but then they're gonna release their stocks slowly, so that's when it's gonna go down. But man, it's $16. Let's take this down. Broke out easily, went from 1327 to 1547 breakout. Let's go ahead and check 5-minute chart. The momentum start here, and then the first sell, buy, sell, buy, no sell yet. Yeah, that's true. A momentum trading opportunity. Let's find out the option with the bull if we can actually use hotkeys and use a way of doing like extended hours market trades. That way I could have even touched these and make that small amount of profit. But the limit strategy here, maybe I can customize the limit strategy. You know what, I will try to do one, and let's try to do a live trading next time. You don't have the last yellow candle, this one here? Okay, so that could be because you don't have the data from NYSE, because I'm paying for those data. If you go, let me see if I can share that with you. Let's see, trading view. It is called extra market data. So let me find out that. Okay, here I found the link. Yes, it does. You'll be surprised. Look at this one. It's actually $2 a month. So I have this here, Nasdaq, and then there was one more, which was that NYSE Nasdaq. Can't find the other one. Yeah, so I'm using these two, but the other one I can't remember the name now. We'll check history. So they do actually give you accurate information, the accurate data. Yeah, it did made a lot of difference, because we did try. A lot of guys asked me the same question, why my charts is different from theirs. So I did some investigations, and then we actually found out that's the difference. You know, the huge difference maybe like maybe 3%, 5% change. But if you are swing trading and day trading, it's actually a big difference on without getting the correct information. It's going up. 1729 is the next stop. After that, we haven't marked. From current price to here, it is around 7%. So I'm up 7,000. Well, I don't even want to jump. I'm already past my weekly goal. But could take the risk though. Maybe I can double the investment for a week. Let's see if it's gonna touch here and go down. Alright, the news is good with Kodk. That's the thing. News is not bad. The only thing that will reverse this trend is when they start their Q2. When they update the Q2 financial books, then we will start getting all those increase in debt and other information that will actually drop this stock. Let's watch. Come on, what happened? I will keep 1 minute and 5 minute both. 1 minute chart doesn't look good. It's at 1584. It's not that either. Well, 1584. Okay. All right. Hope you win this, but make sure to like sell with the first red one formation with the 5 minute. Red. Careful. But the volume is not that big. $16.10. So you were out as soon as you see that red? Is that what you did? So 1% something. Well, that's not bad. Now see, it's moved down. Saved you ass. Okay, cool. Yeah, the 5 minutes now turning red. Even the 15. Well, still it does have another 12 minutes, so it could change anything. Oh, there, it's going back again. One minute green, 2 greens. Sometimes I go with 30 seconds as well, just to like keep on making a lot of trades. Kodk? No. The only thing I'm not jumping I'm up 70% for the week from my initial. This is just because it's pre-market. For me, I want to see something intraday, and I want to use the market hotkeys, not the limit hotkeys right now, because I have been burned before a couple of times. Well, Kodk actually gave me 70%, so that's cool. $16.42. Was able to get in these areas, and here I was actually showing one of my friend about the Kodk last end of the day, and as soon as I saw the momentum pick up, I was like buying just to show him, and he was like okay, and then in a couple of minutes I was able to make more than 45%. Going up 16.42. 1 minute momentum trading opportunity started. Well, we had to watch it though. Right now it's the buy should be around 9.3. Well, I forgot it's actually 9. So what happened at 9? Did people took the sale? So 9 you started to sell, right? Or before 9? 8.55. Well, normally the other thing, that's the thing, I wait until 9 and see what Robinhood traders are doing. If they're actually selling, then they're still gonna go down. If they're actually buying, they're still gonna go up, and then it will hit that 17.29. I don't think there is any resistance between those two. The line is really good. 5-minute chart. Wait, I need to help you guys who couldn't find their targets. So guys, so SNOA, there are limited number of outstanding shares. The volume for the pre-market is also touching the amount of outstanding shares. The algo turns yellow when the candle closes. That's for 1 minute, Alex. If you check 5 minutes, you see it's already yellow. But that's not even true. Sometimes if within 1 minute the algo sees some data, look at this one here now. It gave you the green color, red color, right, with the yellow candle. It doesn't have to change. Wait, so you're saying yours doesn't show? Then you might need to use that the plan I mentioned, more market data thing. Yeah, I think you guys need that one. For me, that's why this is actually easy for me. I'm getting live data as fast as I could. Maybe I should tell that to everyone, right? But then people will think like I'm asking for money from these guys, but this is not my company. TradingView is a big company. I'm just a developer of a plugin for their site. Well, I will see how I can do that so they don't miss. Or maybe if they come to live streaming like you guys every day, you guys learn something new. It's touching 17.29. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, yeah, I agree. I need to let them know then. I feel bad, you know. Well, it's only $2. What the heck? They're making a lot of money. They're trying to make a lot of money. Let's tell them. I'll let them know. So, out of 6 guys who are watching, who uses the Algo right now? I know Qureshi and Alex. Is Chris here? Vix, Amber, or Chandana, Chaminder? It's breaking out. Seems like it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and mark the support and resistance after that as well. Wow, this looks really good for 4 hours. What about 30 minutes? Everything looks good. After 17, 28. Is it 28? No, there's one here. 1885. Let me mark it a different green, a dark green. And then you have 2028 and 2220. Okay, let's check now. Hey guys, I see a couple of guys popping up. Let me know if you guys need to give an overview of what we are doing. Five minutes did touch 1729. I see a red candle formation. But still we do have 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and check 1 minute chart as well. Okay, so 1 minute, that's sell here again. That's the buy forming. Yeah, it's trying to break it. That's the break. So what do you guys think about the price of OnePunch Algo? You guys think it's fair? I put it 2 months free, right? And then after that is $12.99. What is your take on that? I could actually come up with an affiliate program as well, so maybe other people can use the OnePunch Algo to promote, because the people who understand this algo, they can see the actual value. Man, this is actually breaking out really good. Yeah, the strategy with resistance and support and the OnePunch Algo will actually save a lot of money, because we will be able to make the maximum profit sometimes. Right now in 1 minute it shows a sale. Well, I will trade this one intraday. I see the momentum, it's not bad, but I can also buy shorts. Pre-market volume 35 million. Yeah, that's not bad either. So that's 940. Well, if the stock gets more depth, it keep on going up. I think the reason is because Kodk does have a good brand. The product name is actually good in the market for cameras. If they're actually doing healthcare items, yeah, critical pharmaceutical component, identified as essentials but have lapsed into chronic national shortage. So I think they will do a good job, that's why. And then the government is backing it up. Hey Renault, yesterday was a worth buy. Right now it's actually in the highest point, but if you can pre-market trade without any issues, then you can use the 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart, but I will wait for intraday market open and then I will see where it's touching. Next stop, if it is going up, would be around 1878, this area, and then if it breaks 2028, if not 22. But for 5-minute chart right now, I see a small red candlestick popping up. Well, it's jumping back and forth, so it's hard to tell, but let's see 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute I see a sell, so that's why if you want to short this, I'm gonna short it. And like Alex said, puts, I will look into puts as well. I think it should go down because now it's actually high. So 15 minutes shows a sell indicator. So this was up more than oh my god, 600% in 1 day. Like a couple of weeks ago, EQ was up like 900%. Yeah, so the 15 minutes shows sell indicator. So basically buy when it goes down at the market open. No, so then also I was talking about shorting. Shorting is like selling without having our own stocks. That's called shorting, and then that way we can make money if the stock goes down. And then Alex was talking about buying puts. Puts is on option trading. Basically it says put means if he's saying that it's going to go down and it's gonna make out of that. So my strategy, if you're gonna scalp, but let me know what is your strategy on the type of trading you're doing. All right, Alex, see you later then. So tell me, can you day trade, or this is just a weekly trading strategy you are trying to do? If you can day trade, yes, there is still chance for you to make some money here. Like if it touch 1547 and then bounce back, then you could make some money there. If it touch 1323, then the bounce back with 5-minute chart, then there is money to be made. So first I need to know what's your strategy on the trading. At least let me know if you can day trade. So if I were you, I would wait. Okay, you're trying to day trade. All right. So here you see a breakout, right? So this is pre-market. I would wait until you see what's going on with the intraday. So market, when the bell hit, wait to see what, at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes, to see where the trend is going on. So if people are starting to sell, then this could actually go down a lot and then hit these support levels. All these support levels, if you see the stock hit those support levels and bounce back, then that's the buying opportunity for you. But as soon as you see a support level touch, you need to use 1-minute chart or 5-minute chart to decide if you're going to sell or not, because it's really important for you to not to lose the money. So in this case, I'm just giving you an example. Let's say you buy here, and then as soon as you see the red candle formation, you sell. Again, you buy here, you sell without losing your profit. Buy here, sell, buy back here, sell. So to do this, you need to be able to use hotkeys. Do you have hotkeys? Because that's the way, if you are using 1 minute or 30 seconds or whatever, you can quickly buy sell the market price. If not, let's say you're going with 15 minutes, then you have to wait the stock to touch a support level and then bounce back with the 13 and then touch the next resistance level. But that way you can't make maximum profit, just letting you know. Are you able to use hotkeys? What is the brokerage account you're using? I'm using VBull. So I had the link below if you haven't heard of it. So this is the VBull, and this is the trading view that is using my OnePunch Algo. To get the OnePunch Algo, go to onepunchalgo.com, and we have documentations and more YouTube videos about how to use the Algo. Right now 15 minutes, I see a hard sell indicator. Who's calling me? Hey Renault, if you need help, let me know. if you need to understand how these work, also let me know so I can share some information with you later. Yes. So here's the deal. I have a goal. My goal is to make 1,000 a day. So yesterday with Kodk I was able to make 7 times of my goal, and I'm already up my weekly goal as well now. So I'm calmly waiting for it to drop and touch these support levels. I'm not going to trade these breakouts, but I could have made the profit if I brought here, right? We were talking when this stock started to go. When you check 5-minute chart, we call it momentum strategy. So if you go to documentation from OnePunch Algo, you can see momentum by indicator. That means first green outline yellow candle formation with a major event like news, ER report or positive data. So if a momentum candlestick form like this and together with all the yellow candles, that means I could have ride it. So right now still I don't see a sell for 5 minutes, so it keep on going up. So this is where, let's say I brought in, then I'm gonna keep on riding this. I could do it right now, but I'm waiting for it to drop. One, either I'm gonna buy put, so I'm gonna short sell this in the market open. If not, I'm gonna wait it to touch any of these resistance above the current level. So right now it's the next resistance is at 1878. So I would wait it to break, make the profit if the pre-market open up to here. If not, I would like to see a bounce back from here or here, then I will buy in these areas. For me, 3%, 5%, 10% is actually enough for me to make that $1,000 for the day. Still with 5-minute chart, OnePunch Algo shows a really good momentum movement. It might hit that 1878 and then slowly bounce back down and then try to break out that next level for the 2028. Guys, so we do have live trading from 7:45 AM until 9:30 AM Eastern time. You guys are welcome to join because we do check news related stocks. We filter the pre-market scanner, which is right now we have here, right, 10 stocks. So we check their news, we also check their outstanding shares, we also now check their outstanding share history. So in this case I will show you with one month. This is the outstanding shares for the history. So they had like 42 million on 2017. Right now they have 43 million in 2020. So those kind of information as well. It's actually good for penny stocks to see if this stock is actually going to break out a lot or it's gonna break down when the market opens. So the next thing we do check the float and then we do check the support and resistance levels for all these good stocks with positive news. After that we trade based on OnePunch Algo indicator. So you guys are welcome to join us if you are new to the channel, and if you doesn't understand anything, let me ask whatever times you can until you understand, and I will try to help you guys out. So those who held this stock since last night, I would wait until I see this type of candle here. You see this one, the red outline candle, that with 30-minute chart. Okay, it has to be 30-minute. So if a 30-minute candle form here with red outline yellow candle, then that means it's going to go down. It's gonna drop hard. Historically, if you check, you can verify those information. Even in here, it went down and then touched the 20-day moving average and then bounced back. This is another sell here because it's touching the resistance and then went down though, and then today it started to move back again. I see it's trying to stay above the 20-day moving average, but as soon as it crosses the 20-day moving average, I think it will drop down fast. Alright, so it's 29. I would trade Kodk, SNOA, and soccer. I might try to trade it if it bounces back right now in the open. Let's see Kodk. 930 hit, moving up. People are actually buying more, trying to break out that mark. Okay, that's the sell. Oh, still people buying. Oh, that's the breakout from 1878. Now the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna buy. Alright guys, see you guys later. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If anyone is new, please subscribe so you guys can get the live stream. Take care. Bye.